Children, let's continue our chapter nervous system and sense organ. So children, nervous system, it is the most important organ system of our body. Okay, the main parts of the nervous system is brain. Okay, brain has three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. And next part of the nervous system is spinal cord. Okay, so next part is spinal cord. So it is a continuation of medulla oblongata. Okay, and it continues downwards, giving away nerves. As this, it also a very delicate structure. It is present within a bony structure called the vertebral column. Okay, see children, this is the figure, the human brain. Okay, this is cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata, and this is the spinal cord. So it is the continuation of medulla oblongata and it continues downward, giving away nerves. So children, spinal cord, it is the delicate organ and it is protected by the vertebral column. Okay, vertebral column, it is present at the back. It is made up of 33 small bones called vertebra. Okay, and it protects the spinal cord. So it helps in emergencies actions or automatic actions or reflex actions. Example, without knowing, if we happen to put our hand on a hot iron, we remove our hand immediately. Okay, so spinal cord, it helps in emergencies action. It controls our emergencies actions or automatic actions or reflex actions. Okay, example, without knowing, if we happen to put on hand on a hot iron. जैसे यहाँ पे एक hot iron ये प्रेस है, अगर हम अचानक से हम इसमें हाथ रख देते हैं तो वे क्या करते हैं, we remove our hand immediately. Okay, so they are the automatic actions, and automatic actions, they are called the reflexive actions. Okay, in reflexive actions the brain is not involved. Okay, so here we see that the brain is not involved. Okay, so we see the brain is not involved in such emergencies actions, which are called reflexive actions. Okay children, so the emergencies actions, they are called reflexive actions and the brain is not involved. So they are controlled by the spinal cord. Okay, so these actions, they are the reflexive actions, they are controlled by the spinal cord. Can you write 3 more examples of reflexive actions in the space given below? Yes, first is scaring away from a lizard. Okay, so it is a reflexive action. Pulling out fingers away from a burning substance. Okay, then suddenly light falls in our eyes. हमारी आँख में अचानक से जब लाइट पड़ती है तो अपने आप क्या हो जाती है, बंद हो जाती है. Now check yourself. What is the pathway of nervous system? See children, this is the pathway. This is the path of conduction of signal. This is stimulus. Stimulus means you heard the phone ring. So children, stimulus का मतलब क्या होता है? Stimulus is something external that influence our activity. Okay, and what is the response? Response means effect of stimulus is response. Okay, so stimulus, what is the stimulus here? You heard the phone ring. Okay, then spinal cord, then it moves in brain, then spinal cord, then the effector organ, and then the response. Okay, so this is the path of the conduction of signal. The signal passes through spinal cord, then brain, then spinal cord, then the effector organ, and then response. What do you mean by stimulus and response? So stimulus means, stimulus is something external that influence in our activity. Okay, like pulling our fingers away from a hot burning substance. So children, hot burning substance, it is a stimulus. Okay, so what is our response? Pulling out of our fingers. Okay, so stimulus means, stimulus is something external that influence our activity, and response means effect of stimulus is called response. Okay, what is reflex action? Children, reflex action means the emergencies actions are called reflex actions and they are controlled by the spinal cord. Okay, Now next topic is children sense organ. So children, sense organs are those organs which are different from the rest of the organs in our body. Okay, sense organ, they are different from the other organs of the body, and they help in obtaining information from our surrounding. Okay, the sense organs, they help in obtaining information from the surrounding. Okay, through this is sensation, through sensation like sight, sound, smell, taste and touch. So there are 5 sense organ. What they are? Eyes, the ear, the nose, the tongue and the skin. So children, they are the sense organ. Okay, they are present in our face. Jैसे eyes, ear, nose and tongue, and skin. Skin, our body, the whole body is covered by a skin. The first sense organ is the eye. Okay, eye is called the vision organ. Okay, eye से क्या करते हो आप? देखते हो. So it is called the vision organ. So we know that we are able to see things around us with our eyes. Okay, so therefore they are called the organs of vision. Okay, we are able to see the things with the help of eye, so they are called the organs of vision. Okay, the nerves that connects eyes to brain is optic nerve. Okay, the nerves, this is children, this is the structure of an eye, this is the optic nerve, and optic nerve, it connects eyes to the brain. Okay, ये हम जो optic nerve होती है, ये हमारी eyes को brain से connect करती है. Okay, our eyes are very sensitive and delicate organ. Our eyes, जो हमारी जो eyes होती हैं, वो क्या होती है? They are very sensitive and it is a very delicate organ. See the diagram children, this is the structure of an eye. ठीक है, this is the optic nerve, it connects the eye to the brain. Okay, they are the parts of the eye: retina, this is lens, pupil and this is cornea. Okay, so our eyes are very sensitive and delicate organ. Each eyeball is safely set in a deep bony socket. Okay, the eyeball is safely set in a deep bony socket or orbit that are further protected by, okay, eyeball is safely protected by a socket. Okay, and they are further protected by eyelids and eyelashes. So our eyelashes and eyelids, they protect our eye, which protect the eye from dust and dirt. Okay, so eyelashes and eyelids, they protect the eye from dirt and dust. The outermost layer of eye is cornea. Okay, the outermost layer of the eye is called cornea, which is transparent. Cornea, it is a transparent circular portion. Okay, in the center of the black part of the eye, there is a small black spot, which is actually an aperture. Okay, an opening that helps the light to pass through lens and fall on the retina. From there, it will be sent to the brain for processing through optic nerves. Okay, so see children, this is, देखो brain, देखिए brain, this is optic nerve. Okay, optic nerve, then it is retina, this is lens, pupil, cornea और object or an light. Okay, तो कोई भी object से light आती है वो किस पे पड़ती है? Cornea, then pupil, then lens, retina, optic nerves, then give the message to the brain. Then next is care of the eye. How we care of our eye? So take care of your eyes by following these important instructions. Wash your eyes regularly. Why we wash our eyes regularly? To remove the dust and dirt. Read your books in normal light. So we should always read the book in normal light. Okay, which is neither dim or not too bright. And also ensure that your book should be at least 12 inches away from your eyes. Okay, if you watch TV, remember you should be at least 10 feet away from TV. Okay, when we watch TV, so we should remember that at least 10 feet away from TV. Don't read while traveling in a moving vehicle. Okay, and if you find any problem in your sight, अगर आपको आई विजन में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, ठीक है, तो can't see things clearly, ओके अगर आपको ठीक से चीज़ें नहीं दिखाई दे रही है तो इन्फॉर्म योर पेरेंट्स, ओके, एंड यू मे हैव टू यूज़ स्पेक्टिकल्स। आपको क्या यूज़ करना चाहिए? स्पेक्टिकल्स यूज़ करना चाहिए, ओके।